Hi there, this is Paul from sbgsigns.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom banner using our neat little online design tool. So I've already navigated to our custom banner section, and I'm going to click on vinyl banner to create my own custom vinyl banner. The first step is to pick some basic options here. You can select a background color. I'll go ahead and just pick white. Notice it doesn't highlight it or anything. It'll just keep your selection, and you'll have a chance to change that coming up too. Then you pick what kind of banner you want, a square, rectangle, and the size. We'll go with 8 by 3 to start us off. Next, our nifty little online design tool will start loading up here, and it'll take a minute to load up because it's a pretty powerful tool and there's a lot of different options inside this design tool. So it might not pop up as quickly as it does for me here for you, but just have a little patience. Okay. You'll see it's loading our specifications into the system right now. Okay, and there's our blank white banner to start with. If you did want to change the color, you can move up here to Item, and of course there's our color selections. You can click on one of those and it'll update in the design window over here. The reason I left it blank is because I'm actually going to upload my own photograph as the background for this picture. Let's pretend I have a friend with a birthday coming up, and I'm going to make a happy birthday banner for them. So I've already uploaded this picture from my local computer. You can do that by clicking this browse button and navigating to your picture, and then clicking this upload button here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in onto the canvas, and there are tons of free pictures online. If you're wondering where I got this, this is actually one of the best places to look is to do a search for desktop backgrounds, and this was actually a desktop background that somebody had designed for, I guess, if you wanted to put on somebody's computer on their birthday. But there are tons of cool designs out there, free pictures that you can use and import into here to make pretty neat looking banners. Now you see it's in the middle here, but it's not filling up the whole banner, and we can change that. As you see, when I mouse over, I get these little drag boxes on the side, and if I mouse over one of those, I can actually drag it out and make it fill the entire size of the banner. Now if you're using something for a background, you want to go a little over the edges just to make sure you've got the entire banner covered, and it'll just crop out the area that's not used when you go to generate your final banner preview, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. Now I want to add some text to my friend, and you do that right here. So let's say, "We love you." Aw. Okay. Next, after you've added your text, you get to select your options for your text. So first you want to choose a font. You can browse through all our fonts, or you can choose by category. I like to do category just to break it down for me. So I want something fun for this, so let's choose a cartoony font. And here's our list of cartoon fonts. And I typically just go for whatever sounds cool to me. So this Comics Regular sounds cool to me. And you can always change these and experiment around. That's part of the fun of this. The color, I want it to really pop out, so let's pick a nice bright ruby red, and I'll leave the spacing normal. Then you can choose a border for your font. Now this is a border around each individual letter and not a border like a box around your font. So to make it pop, we'll add a single border, and we will give it a large white outline. For shadow, you can add a drop shadow to your text, and we'll go ahead and do that just to see what it looks like. We'll add it on the bottom left We'll leave it at a medium drop shadow, and we'll make it black so it really stands out. Also, you can add various effects to your text. So let's see. You can make it arch up, arch down, do a lot of funky stuff here. I'm not sure what a lot of this does, but again, that's part of the fun, is to just play around with it and see what you like and what you don't like. Let's go with inflate bottom. Let's see what that does. And when you've selected all your options and you have all your text entered, you can come and pick add, and it will add your text right on top of everything there. Now, of course, that's not where we want it. It kind of obscures the whole picture, but again, when you move over it with your mouse, you get these nice drag boxes. So I can grab a corner here and sort of squish it down and move it around to the size I like, and then I can move over it until it turns into a little 4-arrow cross there and move it right down here to the corner. And there's my birthday banner. Not too hard, was it? Okay, I like the way that looks, so I'll go ahead and keep that, and then I'll just click Buy Now, and it'll save that design for me. And it brings us back to this page where you get to pick the size you want and the quantity you would like. So you can just enter in one there if you want 1 3x8 banner, and so on and so forth. If you want to see what this is going to look like, you can click on that and it'll bring up a nice large preview of what your banner is going to look like. Now, if it's a little blurry on your screen, which it probably will be, don't worry. These are nice and sharp and crisp when they come out of the printer. So that's just a consequence of these previews on your computer monitor. So I'll go ahead and close that. And that's how you make a custom banner at sbgsigns.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.